In this session, I'm going to show you how you can generate the assessment sheets, all right? Like you want to see the analysis of how students have performed or exam assessment. How do you do that? So after you've generated the report cards, after you've done all the steps that I've been showing you, and I've told you that to be confident and test everything, think how those things can apply at your own school. Test in the respective steps that I've given you up to this level. If you find any challenge and things are not working as how you expect them, feel free to knock on us. We shall be able to support you. So in this session, I'm going to show you how you generate the assessment. So assessments come from report cards. So you must first generate the report cards, then you go ahead and generate the assessments. So generate the assessment, just simply come here to exam assessment, and then you can create a new assessment. So to generate assessment, you just simply say new assessment. So you go ahead and select the assessment, the report card that you want to assess. So it's the mid of term. Then you can say that you want to use secular class or you want to use a theology class. So if I want to use a secular class, I just simply say secular. So I want to say the system will ask you want to assess a specific stream or you want to assess a specific class. If it is a stream, you click on stream. If you want to assess a specific class, you just simply click on a class and then you select the class that you want to assess. For example, I want to assess Pre-4. I go ahead and click on submit. So the system will process. After processing, it will give me a summary of these assessments. And now if I want like the number of students that who have been assessed, the number of first grade, the number of second grade, the number of third grades, the number of X's, the number of, the teacher's name. Now, here I have more columns that I can go ahead and display. Now, if I want to now download this assessment, I just simply click on generate PDF. So the system will go ahead and generate for me the assessment. Oh my God, there is an error. Let me see what could be causing that. Submit, generate. All right, so I think if it shows you this warning, it will have finished. By the way, it will have finished. But if you want now to download, you just simply come back and click on download. All right, just simply come back and click on download. It will go ahead and download. So don't feel worried about that. So let me click on download. It will go ahead and download for me the assessment. The other warning, sometimes it comes, sometimes it doesn't come. This one, 500. So if it comes, you just simply come back and click on the download. It will give you the PDF, whoever we shall fix it. So that is how we generate assessments. So you can see this generate assessment for this class, for this stream. Or if this error comes, just refresh the page to give you the PDF now. So this is an assessment. It will give you the school information on top, the report, and then performance analysis. And then it will give you the term, the class that you're assessing, the stream, and then the class teacher, and then the date when this assessment was generated, the total students in that assessment, and then the first grades, and then the second grades, the third grades, fourth grades, and the number of views. And then to go ahead and break for you performance of each subject, how they performed in English, how many F9s, how many Ds you have there, how many performed in mathematics. So if you have multiple subjects, they'll show up here according to what you said. And then it will go ahead and show you the performance of each student. For example, in English, in mathematics, in whatever, in science, it will show you the mark and the grade, the score and the grade. And then it will show you the total marks of that particular student. And then it will show you the aggregate, to show you the grade that is in it and the position, to begin from the best up to the worst. So you can see how Madeline Murphy is the first because for him, he did not miss any mark. So that's how you do the assessment. You can do the assessment for either theology or secular. And you can download now this PDF by just simply clicking a Ctrl S to save it, or just simply by download here, or you can print it by clicking here and you go ahead and directly print it. So let me download it. come here for 13, put here assessment, exam assessment. Yeah, so that's how you assess students, and you can be able to get the assessment. If you want theology, you can go ahead and download for theology if you want to. Yeah, so that is it. That's a wrap of the academics and examination. You can go ahead and test everything, and feel free to test and test and test and test until the system works for you 100%. If it doesn't work as how you expect, you can just call us or contact us, and then we shall be able to do what? To support you. See you in the next session. Goodbye.